To prepare for class, Mr. Tom has to print a number of booklets with P pages per booklet. If every 5 pages cost C cents to print and he spent a total of D dollars, how many booklets did Mr. Tom print in terms of P, C and D? Here we have the amount of money, that is D dollars. With this money, we have to find the number of booklets printed by Mr. Tom. Let's consider the information we have over here. Every 5 pages cost C cents to print. That is, using the money C cents, we can print 5 pages. Let me write this information over here. That is C cents over here. With this money C cents, we can print 5 pages. Let me write the stuff over here. Since the given money is in dollars, we have to convert the cents to dollars. To convert cents to dollars, we have to divide it by 100. Okay, let me divide this C by 100. When I divide this C by 100, the cents will become dollars. Let me write the stuff over here. On the right side, we can write this stuff as it is. That is 5 pages. Now let's multiply both these quantities by the reciprocal of this C over 100. That is 100 over C. Okay, let me do it. That is 100 over C times C over 100 dollars. On the right side, we can multiply this 5 by the reciprocal of C over 100. That is 100 over C times 5 pages. Let me finish writing. Okay, here this 100 will cancel. This C will cancel out. So the evaluation of this one is just 1. Then we have $1 on the left side. On the right side, we have to multiply this fraction and this integer 5. Then we have to multiply this numerator 100 and 5. 100 times 5 is 500. Then we get 500 over C pages. Let me finish writing. Okay, here we have $1. Our aim is to find the number of booklets printed by Mr. Tom using the money D dollars. So we have to make this money as D dollars. For that, we have to multiply both the quantities by D. Okay, when I multiply this 1 by D, I am getting D, that is D dollars. Let me write the stuff over here. When I multiply this 500 over C by D, I am getting 500 D over C pages. Okay, now I got the number of pages can be printed using the given money D dollars. But our aim is to find the number of booklets can be printed using the money D dollars. So we have to convert this 500 D over C pages to number of booklets. And there is an information. There are P pages per booklet. That is, in one booklet, we have P pages. Now to find the number of booklets in 500 D over C pages, we have to divide the number of pages we have over here by the number of pages per booklet, that is P. Okay, now let me divide the number of pages we have over here, 500 D over C, divided by the number of pages we have in one booklet, that is P. And we can write this P as a fraction by taking denominator 1. Now we can write this numerator as it is, that is 500 D over C. We can change this division as multiplication and take reciprocal of P over 1, that is 1 over P. 500 D times 1 is 500 D. In denominator, when I multiply the C and P, I am getting CP. So using the money D dollars, Tom printed 500 D over CP number of booklets. We find this of 500 D over CP in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.